Did Mercury hide a frozen secret for billions of years? Or did one catastrophic impact change everything in just a single day? Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, a scorched world where temperatures rise high enough to melt lead. For decades, scientists believed this planet was completely dry, lifeless, and hostile to anything resembling water. But hidden inside the eternal darkness of Mercury's polar craters, an astonishing discovery changed everything. Vast deposits of frozen water were found buried in the shadows. But how could ice possibly survive on a planet so dangerously close to the Sun? New research suggests the answer may lie in a single catastrophic event. Billions of years ago, a massive comet or water-rich asteroid may have slammed into Mercury with unimaginable force. The impact released enormous amounts of vapor, surrounding the planet in a dense temporary atmosphere. And for a brief moment, Mercury may have transformed into a world wrapped in steam and debris. That moment may have changed the planet forever. Normally, intense solar radiation would destroy water molecules almost instantly. But scientists believe the thick vapor cloud created a powerful shielding effect. In other words, the atmosphere protected the water from the Sun long enough for it to migrate into permanently shadowed craters near the poles. According to simulations, most of this process may have happened within a single Mercury solar day, roughly 176 Earth days. On a planetary timescale, that is almost instantaneous. Today, those frozen craters may still preserve ancient material from the birth of the solar system itself. Scientists now wonder whether Mercury's hidden ice could contain chemical records billions of years old. Perhaps even organic molecules trapped in darkness since the earliest days of planetary formation. So how is it possible that the most brutally heated planet near the Sun became a frozen vault of ancient secrets? And what else could still be hiding beneath Mercury's eternal shadows? All the details await in the link below. Share it and be part of spreading the news.